Located at the newly opened Drury Plaza Hotel at Disney Springs, this is the 2 queen beds deluxe with view room. These rooms offer views of Disney Springs, Epcot, and far-off views of Magic Kingdom Park. This deluxe room features 2 queen beds, a seating area, and partial nighttime views of Disney Parks fireworks. In-room amenities include free Wi-Fi, a TV, microwave, refrigerator, coffee maker, iron and ironing board, and hair dryer. All guests at this hotel will also be offered a free breakfast buffet and up to 3 free alcoholic beverages per 21+ adult per day during select evening hours. Alongside this, the Drury Plaza Hotel offers the same early theme park entry that Disney's own hotels offer, as well as bus transportation to all the Disney theme parks. It is within walking distance to Disney Springs, and in the lobby there is a marketplace and bar area. The hotel's pool is saltwater, not chlorine-based. To reiterate, 2 queen beds, a free breakfast buffet, bus transportation, free alcohol and coffee, and a pool with firework views. All of this for the price of Disney's current value resorts like Disney's Pop Century Resort. Prices are subject to change. Head to druryhotels.com to see current pricing.